Hi ECDC friends, it's Miss Melanie. How are you? So we're going into the week of weather and that is going to be so much fun. And we thought that we should make a picture of the sky with blue paper and a cloud and start working on our name because that's important, right? So what you'll need is a blue piece of paper, ready? A white piece of paper, a black piece of paper, and some glue. I have a glue stick and a pair of scissors, and I chose pink for my raindrops, and you can pick whatever color you want. It can be purple, orange, yellow, blue. It's whatever you want it to be, okay? So the first thing we're gonna do is have our blue piece of paper nice and clean, nice and ready, and then we're going to get our white piece of paper, and we need a cloud, okay? So here's my piece of paper that's white, and I'm going to draw a cloud on it. And you take your marker, pen, crayon, whatever you like to use, and you draw a shape of a cloud that makes sense to you. And there you go. There's mine. Can you see it? And I'm going to take this white piece of paper with my new picture of a cloud on it, and I'm going to take my scissors and my helping hand, hold the paper, and I'm going to cut that cloud out. So you do the same with your cloud. You ready? And, try to cut on the line if you can. But if you cannot cut on the line, do not worry about it. That is not a big deal. Cut as close to it as you can so that it looks like a cloud. And I have lots of ins and outs on my cloud because my cloud that I made was very puffy. So here I go, right, all the way around, and there is my cloud. All right, now remember that glue stick we talked about? I gotta put some glue on my blue paper, and I'm gonna glue right here, right? Pick up my cloud, and I'm gonna stick it right onto that glue. Rub it on. Now I have my blue piece of paper and my cloud. Right. Now, you can pick whatever color you want, crayon, marker, like I said before, and we're going to write our name. Now, you might not be able to write your name, and that's okay. You can ask your mom, your dad, your sister, your brother, somebody else to help you write your name. And once you find them, you write your name. My name starts with an M. M-E-L-A-N-I-E. Miss Melanie. I'm just going to do Melanie. Okay? Now, I want you to count the letters of your name. And I'm going to count the letters of my name. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 letters in my name, and that's important because we're going to make raindrops later, and I'm going to need 7 raindrops because I have 7 letters in my name. Okay? So remember how many letters you have in your name. All right. Now the next thing we're going to do is get a black piece of paper. Got it? Or any color piece, really. It doesn't matter. If you don't have black, you don't have black. But we're going to cut it. And you can be as wide or as thin as you want. And I'm going to count out 7 strips of black paper because I have how many letters in my name? 7. That's right. 3, 4, 5. Up. See my helping hand? I'm holding it. And I'm going cut, 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 cut. Done. Come back to the bottom. Cut, 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 done. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I need 1 more. Ready? Cut, 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 and I'm done. Great job, Miss Melanie. And now we're going to take those black pieces of paper and we're going to fold them. We're going to go in and out, in and out. See that? Back and forth, however you want to say it. And then it should, when you press it together and you hold it up, it should look like that, like little V's or a little accordion, see? Or even like a lightning bolt, like the weather. That would be a good one. And now I have to fold them all. So you might have 4 letters in your name. You might have 5. You might have 8. I don't know. But however many letters you have in your name, that's how many of these little lightning bolt zigzags you need to make. Okay? I have a lot to make because I have 7 letters. So you probably will be faster than me. But that's okay. You can wait for me when you're done. Okay? And then we'll go on to what we're going to do with these cute little lightning bolts that we made. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 2 more. Here we go. See how fast I can do it. 6 and 7. Okay. Now mine are all done. And so the next thing we're going to do is find your glue stick. Do you have it? All right. And we're going to come back to our blue paper with our cloud and our name on it. And we're going to make, I'm going to make 7 dots because I have 7 letters in my name. You make however many dots on your paper that there are letters. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's my 7 dots for the 7 letters in my name. And then I'm going to pick up my little lightning bolts that I made and I'm going to put them right under my cloud. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7 pieces of black paper that are like my little lightning bolts coming from my cloud. Kaboom! You ready? You ready to see what we're going to do next? All right. Now remember, we got to get out our raindrop paper. I had picked pink, right? So you're going to get your marker or your pen or your crayon and you're going to make raindrops on your raindrop paper. But you're going to make as many raindrops as there are letters in your name. And I have 7, so I have to make 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you make them whatever shape that you want, that you think a raindrop would look like, because we know that no raindrop looks the same, right? So you can't get this wrong. Then we're going to hold it with our helping hand, get our scissors, and we're going to cut out all these little circles. Okay? So there's 1, right? There's 1. And you just keep going until you have all your raindrops cut out. And you try your best to stay close to the line that you made. But if you don't do it, that's okay, because we know that not all raindrops are the same color. Same size, right? So I have a whole bunch already cut out so I don't take up too much of your time. But the next thing we're going to do is, you ready? Here are I have all my raindrops. And I'm going to glue them on to each lightning bolt. So I'm going to get my glue stick, put some glue on the bottom of each lightning bolt. Going to go all the way across, all 7 of them. And then I'm going to put on my raindrop. See it? There's 1. And 2, 3, 4, 5. There's a big raindrop. Ready for this big one? 6 and 7. Those are all my raindrops coming from my cloud. Did I do a good job? Do you like it? All right. Thank you. So now we're going to get our marker or pen or crayon or whatever you're using. And if you can't do it on your own, remember, that's okay. We're all learning together. And the most important part of this is that you try, okay? That's all that matters, because if you can write your name, you can. If you can't write your name, you can't. It doesn't matter. So if you can, then you're going to write it on your raindrops. Maybe somebody can write them on and then you could trace them, right? Like for instance, My first letter is M, so I'll write an M right here. Let me hold it still. M, right? And maybe somebody could write your first letter and then you could trace over it, right? And that's good. Whatever you can do. And then my next letter is E. This is hard to do. E. And then L, right? And then the next letter would be A. I'm going to put it down for a minute just so I get an easy place to write. N-I-E. And I'll hold it up for you to see. See, so I wrote my name. M-E-L-A-N-I-E. And it's a match. It matches the letters in the cloud above, right? So that's so fun. So however you do it, I want you to have a really fun time doing it because crafts are fun to do. It keeps us busy and it keeps us learning, okay? So thumbs up to this activity. You have a good time and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.